A human walks into a constant speed of 4 kilometers an hour from west to east on level ground. So velocity of your human is 4I. Velocity of your wind is xi plus yj. The wind appears to the human to come from direction north 50 degrees east. North 50 degrees east means this angle here is 50 degrees, which means this angle is 50 degrees, which means this angle here is 40 degrees, because it's actually going south, some sort of south-west direction, right? It's coming from the northeast, alright? So then what we have here is the velocity of the wind according to the human is x minus 4I plus yj. And then so the velocity of the, so this means that tan 40 is x minus 4 over y. So tan 40 equals y over x minus 4. Tan 40 is tan 40 is 0.84 or 0.839, I suppose. Go for 0.84. Actually 839 is better. 839. So 0.839 x minus 4 equals y. 0.839 x multiply this by 4. 3.356 minus 3.356 equals y. Alright, that's scenario 1. In scenario 2, the velocity of the human is walking in a direction north 40 degrees west. So they're walking in direction northwest. North 40 degrees west, like so. So this once again is 40 degrees, and they're going at 4. This makes this 4 cos 40 and 4 sin 40. So 4 cos 40, which we have here earlier, 4 cos 40 is 3.064. So it's 3.064 j, and up here we go for sin 40, it's 2.571. 2.571 I. But it's going to the left because it's going left and upwards. So that is the velocity of the human. So here's v human, vh. Now velocity of the wind is the same as last time. So velocity of the wind relative to the human is vw minus vh, which is going to be x double negative, so it's going to be x plus 2.571 I. Sorry, x plus 2.571 I. And then plus y, take away 3.064 j. Now what we know about the wind according to the human in this situation is that it comes from the north. If it comes from the north, it means it's going directly south, and this means that the I component is in fact 0. The I component is 0. This makes your x value minus 2.571. We sub it in and we get 0.839 times minus 2.571 minus 3.356, and that will give me my y value. So what we should get this time is 0.839 times minus 2.571 minus 3.356 minus 5.513. Y is minus 5.513. So the velocity of the wind is minus 2.571 I minus 5.513 j. Alright, what we're going to do next is, we know that this is going sort of like a southwesterly direction. So we're going to find out the angles involved here. So this is going to be 5.513. This is going to be 2.571. Call this angle X. So we're going to tan inverse this. Shift tan inverse 5.513 divided by 2.571, and we get an angle of 65 degrees. So this is 65 degrees, which is going to be west 65 degrees south, or south 25 degrees west, and it's going at a speed. We're going to do Pythagoras' theorem here. To get the speed, we're going to do 5.513 squared plus 2.571 squared. Add them together, square root your answer, and you get 6.083. And the velocity is 6.083 meters per second. If we look at the answers in the back here, we finally got 6.08 and south 25 degrees west. And it's not meters per second, it's actually kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's 2019.